This is Grizzly's den. Snuggled in the woods above Gatlinburg, this cabin boasts logs that are 2 feet in diameter. A wraparound 2-story deck that will either allow you a view that will absolutely take your breath away or let you sit in the privacy of your own wooded setting. There are 5 bedrooms in the cabin on all the levels. Each room is unique in its own way, along with 5 bathrooms. Grizzly's den can sleep up to 24 people comfortably. The kitchen is on the main floor, with an open floor plan that allows everyone to enjoy conversation and interactive fun while cooking dinner. Relax in one of the cozy, oversized Adirondack-style chairs and wait for your turn on the pool table that is also on the majestic glass-encased main floor. The expansive floor plan is perfect for large groups. Elegantly furnished and appointed to satisfy the most discriminating guest, with all of the modern-day amenities you would expect. The views from the deck are so breathtaking, you will not want to leave the rockers once you sit down and take in the natural beauty. Sit and relax in the hot tub on the lower level deck. Everyone will love the special game room on the lower level, and it's all for you. You're far enough away from civilization, but close enough to enjoy all the attractions. There are numerous things to do in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, just down the road. Grizzly's den is well equipped to please the most demanding guests, no matter what you're looking for in your stay. Grizzly's den will truly grant all the pleasures a vacation should offer. Contact us now to book your next family vacation to the Great Smoky Mountains here at Grizzly's Den today.